You can create separate calendars for different parts of your life, which helps keep everything organized and easy to manage. For example, I use the default calendar that comes with the app, plus another one dedicated for work. Let's add a calendar just for this course. And another one for the fun of it. Each calendar can be customized. You can rename it, assign it a color so events are instantly recognizable, and even add a description. You also have the option to ignore alerts if you prefer. Since this is just a demo calendar, I'll go ahead and disable alerts. The best part is that you can create as many calendars as you like.